In this lesson, we'll finish the modifications we need to make to the right pelvic limb. We'll show our curves, select the control, bring back our graph editor, and go right to the rotation X, focusing on it and beginning. So let's see if we need this key on frame 3. See if we could go ahead and delete it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then what we could do from here is just take the key on frame 5 and adjust the right half, bringing that down to get back to a similar pose we had on 3. Great. So from here we'll continue around 7 and 9. That's where the foot is planted, so we don't need to worry about messing with those keys at all. How about frame 9? Let's see what happens if we delete that. Okay, well, it shifts quite a bit, but what we can do from here is just select the key on frame 10, select the left half and middle mouse button and click and drag down some to get the pose similar to what we had before we deleted that key. So that's fine. And then on 12 we could just select this key, select the right half, bring that down to get a smoother arc. We want to focus on that. Great. And then from here we'll select 13 and 1, select the right halves, and just do a simple tweak where we bring down the right half of their tangent handle. And notice when we do that on the end of our animation, the beginning of that, of our cycle, notice we get that pose similar to what we had on frame 3. Great. So once we have this, we can now move down to the fetlock, and notice that's fine. There's no tweaks to make there. And we haven't animated the hoof. So what we're going to do now is just spend the time looking at the improvements that we've made from cleaning up our F curves. We're going to check out a play blast of that. Let's go ahead and hide our curves, get a nice view, making sure that our character is going to be in shot here, and we'll go ahead and kick off a render. Here it is. Wow, if we look at this this animation compared to what it once was before we made these fixes, we should notice a definite difference. Notice how much more fluid the animation looks, more realistic, more horse-like in the gallop. So this is looking really nice. Well, once we've got these things taken care of, what we need to do now is bring our attention to fixing up the center of gravity. We have a pose we need to tweak on about frame 11, straightening up the right thoracic limb, and also making sure that the motion is right. And it is pretty accurate right now. Okay, the horse should be moving similar to that, but again, we're going to add some tweaks to improve it much more. And we'll work on that in the next lesson.